Looking for the best 4K drone on AliExpress in 2026? Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial photos, recording cinematic videos, or just want an exciting drone for weekend adventures, choosing the right model can make all the difference. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress for 2026. We'll cover their features, flight performance, camera quality, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is worth your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's take off. Number 1. Lenovo 168 GPS Drone. This feature-packed drone includes dual cameras, GPS positioning, brushless motors, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, intelligent flight modes, and support for high-resolution aerial photography. Its advanced obstacle detection and stable GPS navigation make it suitable for beginners while offering enough features for more experienced pilots. Pros: GPS positioning, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, dual camera system, stable flight controls, foldable portable design, intelligent flight functions. Cons: advertised 8K resolution may refer to interpolated photos rather than true 8K video. Camera stabilization is more limited than drones with a mechanical gimbal. Battery life depends on flight conditions. The Lenovo 168 GPS delivers an impressive combination of intelligent flight features, safety systems, portability, and user-friendly controls. While buyers should treat advertised 8K claims cautiously, it offers excellent overall value and is one of the best all-around drones on AliExpress for 2026. Number 2. Potensic Atom Mini Drone. Unlike many budget drones, the Atom features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, GPS navigation, up to 6 kilometers of transmission range, brushless motors, and a high-quality 4K camera designed for smooth cinematic footage. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, while its advanced stabilization produces significantly smoother videos than most entry-level drones. Pros: 3-axis mechanical gimbal, excellent 4K camera quality, GPS navigation, long transmission range, stable flight performance, compact travel-friendly design. Cons: higher price than generic drones. Smaller size makes it more sensitive to strong winds. Advanced features require some learning. If video quality is your priority, the Potensic Atom is one of the strongest choices in this price range, offering impressive stabilization and reliable performance. Number 3. Lenovo V198 GPS Drone. Equipped with GPS positioning, a brushless motor, laser obstacle avoidance, optical flow stabilization, FPV transmission, and a foldable design, this drone delivers smoother flights and more reliable navigation. GPS functionality allows features like one-key return, route planning, and more accurate hovering. Pros: GPS positioning, brushless motors, laser obstacle avoidance, foldable design, stable flight performance, easy return to home function. Cons: camera quality may not match premium camera drones. Gimbal stabilization is limited. Flight time varies depending on weather conditions. The addition of GPS makes the V198 GPS much more enjoyable to fly, especially for beginners looking for improved stability and safer operation. Number 4. Lenovo Z908 Pro Max Drone. It features a foldable design, ESC brushless motors, optical flow localization, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, and support for high-resolution aerial photography. The upgraded motors improve flight stability, while obstacle detection helps reduce accidental collisions. Pros: ESC brushless motors, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, stable hovering, foldable design, easy to transport, good beginner experience. Cons: camera quality may not match premium camera drones. Battery life could be longer. Strong wind affects performance. The Z908 Pro is a dependable drone for learning aerial photography while offering several advanced safety features at an affordable price. Number 5. Lenovo V198 Max Drone. This foldable drone features a brushless motor system, a 4K camera, laser obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, FPV real-time transmission, and a lightweight design that's easy to carry. It's designed for beginners who want stable flights and quality aerial footage without spending too much. Pros:
foldable and portable design, brushless motors for smoother flights, 4K camera, laser obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: limited flight range compared to premium drones, electronic image stabilization instead of a mechanical gimbal, wind resistance is moderate. The V198 Max offers a great balance of affordability and useful flight features, making it a solid entry-level drone for casual pilots. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest drone reviews, tech comparisons, and top 5 AliExpress gadget videos. You'll find links to all 5 drones in the video description below. If you've flown any of these models or have a favorite drone, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks again for watching, and happy flying. We'll see you in the next video.